Welcome back. In my previous video, I explained in detail about the first format of linear equation, which is slope-intercept format. In this video, I'm going to explain about the second type of linear equation, which is point-slope format. Point-slope format gives the slope of the line and the coordinates of a point in it. So you can remember that by the name, point will be the point of the coordinate it gives, and the slope will be the slope of the line. So what is Poincare formula? So Poincare's formula is y subtract y1 equals m, and in parentheses x subtract x1. M is the slope of the line, and x1 and y1 is the point you choose from a table or graph through which the line passes. Now let's talk about a couple of examples. So example 1, point slope form when 2 points are given. So a line passes through 2 points, 3, 9 and 6, 15. What would be the point slope form of the line? So to figure that out, we need to find the slope. That would be step 1. So x1 and y1 is 3, 9, right? And x2 and y2 is 6, 15. So now we know what those are. So we know that slope is change in y over change in x. So let's write our formula right here. Change in y over change in x. Then we can plug in our numbers from here. So it'll be 15 subtract 9 over 6 subtract 3. And that will equal us 6 over 3, and that leads us to the answer of 2 right here. And then you simplify this to 201, and that leads us to 2. Since we calculated slope, which equals 2, so we should write that down right now. Now let's take any of the above given points, and I want to take 3 over 9 because that's the least value of points. So the point slope form of the equation would be y subtract y1 equals m, x subtract x1, and then we'll put the value and the slope in it. So it would be y subtract 9, because since this is the y value, we'll put the y value here, and the slope is 2, so we'll put the 2 here, and then x subtract x1. For x1, we'll put the x value, which is 3. So this is your answer. So let's validate the equation to see if it's correct or not. So let's put 6 and 15 in the equation to see if it's correct. So since 15 is the y value, we'll put in the y's place. 15 subtract 9 equals 2, and since 6 is the x value, we'll put it here. 6 subtract 3. So let's do the parentheses first, because we learned GenDOS and it says grouping symbols first, and since this is the only grouping symbol, we'll do this first. So it will be 15 subtract 9, which equals 2, and 3. So, and then we know that this is 6, and we know that this is also 6. So 6 equals 6, and since the left side is equal to the right side of the equation, then the equation is correct. So this was the first example, and the second example of a point slope form is when the slope of the graph is given and the point of the graph is also given. So the problem is, find the equation of the line that passes through the points 2, 4 and has a slope of 2. So since these are the two information given, we should probably write it down. So the formula for point slope is y subtract y1 equals m, and x subtract x1. So we should put in our slope right here, and we should put in our x value right here and our y value right here. So it is y subtract 4 equals 2, x subtract 2. So this will be your answer to this. And in conclusion, thank you for watching the video. In our next video, we will learn about the standard form of linear equations.